I do foresee a time when your genome will be made part of your medical record. I don't necessarily see it being analyzed by anybody until you have a problem. It may help figure out what that problem is. But it's really important to know that this is not going to happen right away, in the near future. Well, it depends what you mean by the near future, but it'll be at least a decade before you could have your genome actually put in your medical record. Everybody would have to have reliable electronic health records. And we've been talking about having reliable computerized medical records for 3 decades now, and we're still not very near having that done. So that has to be done, number one. Then number two, the thing we're getting close to, is you need a cheap way, or inexpensive way, to sequence the genome. And it's getting down to around $1,000 now, and people think it'll get down to $100 eventually. It'll have to be in the $100 range before it would be done. It would be seen reasonable to do it routinely. So someday, yes. Tomorrow, this year, next year, absolutely not.
Okay, well, let's say that future date has arrived. We don't know when, but let's say that date has come, and your genes have been all sequenced. What happens then? Who's going to tell you exactly which genes may make you prone to have certain kinds of cancers, the probabilities? Because there are now scores of diseases linked, right? So what are some of the diseases that have been associated with certain mutations in genes, and how will you react to that information?
Yeah, well, it's premature to say that we can predict very much right now. That's the reason why the head of the NIH and President Obama are in the process of setting up this so-called precision medicine initiative and the precision medicine cohort. And the idea there is to recruit 1 million Americans, 1 million people, to donate their DNA, which will be sequenced, their medical records, their family history, and maybe even some contemporary medical information.